Jai Hind, dear students. As you know, we have learned Pythagorean triplet for an even number, and we have done questions based on that also. So in this video we are going to learn how to do Pythagorean triplet for an odd number. If we are having any odd number, then how to do. For example, let us take for 17. If we have 17 as one of its member of the triplet, then how to find it. So let's start. For any m natural number Pythagorean triplet we have, for any natural number, as we have already discussed about this in our one of the video. So for any natural number Pythagorean triplet we have 2m, m square minus 1, and let me write in bracket m square plus 1, right? Using this we are going to find value m and Pythagorean triplet where 17 is one of its member. So now let's start with 2m. So on comparing 2m is equals to 17, what we can do next? After transposing 2 to this side, m value will be 17 over 2 and value of m is coming 8.5, which is not possible. So now let's check for this. So m square minus 1 is equals to 17, right? We can do this. So on transposing, minus 1 will come this side, so m square will be equal to 17 plus 1, or we can write m square is equals to 18. Again 18 is not a perfect square, so also we can't get the value of m. So moving to the next possibilities, that is m square plus 1. So m square plus 1 is equals to 17, right? So on transposing minus 1 to this side, m square will be equals to 17 minus 1, or we can write m square is equals to 16. And what we will multiply 2 times to get 16? Yes, 4. So we can write m is equals to square root of 16, or directly we can write m is equals to 4. Clear? So finally we got the value of m. Now as you know, for any natural number we have this triplet, so we will put this value here and we will get our final triplet where 17 will be one of its member. So let's take first 2m will be equal to 2 times of m. So putting 4, it will be equal to 8, right? So let's find second member of this family. It will be m square minus 1, or we can write 4 square minus 1, that will be equals to 16 minus 1, and it is 15. So third member of this triplet will be m square plus 1, that will be equals to 4 square plus 1, and 16 plus 1 is equals to 17 and 7. So finally our triplets are 8, 15 and 17. Clear? Where 17 is one of its member. So in this way we will find triplet for an odd number. So I hope you have understood how to proceed further and what to do if you will get any odd number and any even number to find Pythagorean triplet. So we will learn more about this in our next class. Till then, thank you and take care.